Hello everyone, today we want to take a look at how to extract a thumbnail. I am using for that this thumbnail right here, which has disappeared since I clicked on it. And what we do right there is we click on the video. Pause it real quickly, and each video, as you know, will have a unique URL. And in this URL, at the end, you can find the unique video ID after the V equals. Extract that via copy and then paste it into this URL by replacing the YouTube video ID part, which I will also be including in the description down below. When you click enter, you will now have the picture, which you can obviously save on your laptop. There is one exception to this rule, and that is when the URL is a little bit more complicated, seemingly like this. As you can see, now this last part is a lot longer than what you just saw. In this case, the video ID will be the part between the V equals and the and sign. So just so you know, you can use this tip very simply, and if you want to learn more about Notion, please consider giving me a follow and like this video.